Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 16.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop.
As you can see, today I am outside, which is very much abnormal. Today I will be taking some photos and showing you all how I edit those photos. More than likely the photos I take today will go on my website, my rebranding website. If you haven't been keeping up with my Vlogmas, I have a small business that is right now based on Instagram, but I am rebranding. And yeah, I'm opening a website. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned and let's get into the video. I have my photographer with me. My photographer. She will be taking the photos today. And yeah, I'm just going to show you all our little process and the editing and all of that stuff. I'm thinking right next to this tree will be cute. Yeah. I am back in the room and the lighting right now is kind of iffy because it's about to be 4 o'clock and the sun is going down. But yeah, so we are done taking photos and now I'm going to show you all what I am doing to edit those photos. So I'm going to go to photos and here are the photos we took today. This is what they look like. Yes, 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 yes. And as you can tell, I did not have on makeup in any of these photos, so let's get to editing. I think I'm going to heart the ones I want to edit. I'm going to edit that one. So we just favorited the ones that we are going to edit. Now I'm going to start with airbrush. I'm going to start with this simply because I'm not wearing makeup, and as you can see right now, I have dark spots and I also have these 2 pimples on my head from probably stress and lack of sleep. So I'm going to start editing with that first. We're going to edit this photo and I'm going to start with smoothing the entire forehead and face out. As you can see, the acne scars and all of that stuff is gone, but it's still kind of dark, so I'm going to go to acne and I'm going to tap where I had acne scars. So I use the acne effect to tap where my acne scars are and where this huge pimple is, just to get rid of that. And I'm just going to save the photo. And now we are going to Photoshop. I use Photoshop to apply my filters, and I did filters like this simply because I typically don't like to use filters. I just like to enhance the naturalness that's in the photo already. So we're going to grab the photo. We just did the effects to get rid of my acne scars and all of that stuff. And I already have a preset saved, so I could just simply click on the preset and then adjust it to about to figure out how much of the preset I want to apply to the photo. But for you all, I'm going to have it on normal and go through the entire process. So I like to start in adjustments and then I click on light just so that I can change the lighting around a little bit. I like to make the greens greener, the blacks blacker, and I also like to enhance the way my skin looks a little bit. I like to be a little bit more toned, if that makes sense. I feel like I'm like an ashy color sometimes in photos, so I really want to fix that. And to fix that, I'm going to go to contrast and bring up the contrast. I'm going to go to black and then I'm going to bring it down a little bit and bring whites up. It already looks so much better. And I'm going to add the shadows, just because I feel like those effects really make the photo more crisp. So, as you can see, everything just looks so much better. You can't see the acne scars right there. I don't really change the rest of this stuff, but sometimes I change the, I'm not sure how to say this word, but I'll put it on the screen. Sometimes I change that to add just an effect to the outer corners, but it's typically going that way. Yes. And honestly, I like the way that looks right there. So I can show you the before and after again, and I'll even show you on the screen. This is before, this is after. As you can see, it looks so much better. So we're going to save that, and that's literally all I would do to that photo. But I'm going to show you another one where you can actually see me smiling. So we're going to go back to airbrush because I'm not wearing makeup in any of these photos, so I'm going to cover up my acne scars. I'm going to use this one. As you can see, my teeth are not as white as I want them to be, so that's really what the main focus of this change will be. And also I want to show you the effects behind changing the leaves and all of that as well, because last time I was just changing the green. So again, zoom in and let's smooth this forehead out because the acne scars are just here and ready to party. That looks so much better. So we are basically done there. And before I leave airbrush, this time I'm going to just scroll down and go to whiten. And I'm going to zoom in and whiten my teeth while I'm here. That looks so much better. So now I'm going to save the photo and then I'm going to Photoshop. I already have, again, the preset right there ready to go, and I would just lower that a little bit. That's basically the photo I'm going for. As you can see, the reds, the yellows, the greens are popping so much more in this photo. But for the purpose of this video, I will go through the process again. Go to adjustments, lights, contrast first. Contrast just makes everything look so much better. We're going to lower the blacks, raise the whites, and go to this V word and darken that. And this is the final product. I'll show you the before and after again of this photo. It looks so much better with the filters on it. It's really not even a filter, it's just enhancing the colors and making everything pop and look so much better. So yeah, this is a before and this is the after. And you can just save that to your camera roll and you're done. So yeah, that concludes this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all right back here tomorrow with another video. Bye guys.